Orders can be created from the orders data page, or they can be set up from the control page. This section shows how to create an order from the data section of the system. Any order that is set up here can be selected and ran from the control page at a later time. The first step in creating an order is to create an order name. And an order name has to be unique. So for this instance, it's going to be Smith Farms 10/27/2015. That is today's date. The seed amount I will specify is 80. That would be 80 units because my seed source, which is going to be bin 1, is set up for seed count units. The treat rate I will move up to 1600. That is 1600 pounds per minute. That specifies how much seed will be flowing through the seed treatment system. Enabled treater is checked. I will leave that checked because I want to treat these 80 units of seed. Shot control is a feature in which the operator can bring in 80 units of seed and can specify how much seed they want to release from the scale at one time. This is a feature that is used mainly for rebagging or reboxing for the same customer because a bag or box doesn't have the capacity of 80 units, usually right around 40 to 45. The auto loadout feature is to start the loadout conveyor out of the treater automatically when called for. Box enable is a feature where you have an unknown amount of seed, usually when the user or the operator's customer has an amount of seed they want to have treated, and they bring to the operator to have treated, and it's an unknown amount of seed. This box enable basically gives them the option to run this seed through the system without getting a scale ticket. So it wouldn't be an NTEP certified order. A comment can be specified. So this will print on the ticket, so you can press or enter thank you, and that will print on the ticket. Underneath that is where you can specify a customer. I'm going to specify customer IJ. To confirm that, I'll press the check mark. The seed source, I will select bin 1, and I can confirm that selection. The recipe, as you can see, drop down, and I want to select basic C to confirm. And then the destination, you can either go to the loadout side or the boxes side. There are times when the setup is 2 conveyors out of the treater and 1 conveyor goes to a reboxing system, or the other conveyor goes out to the loadout side to load out a tender or a semi. For this specific order, I'm going to confirm the loadout side. On the left-hand side, you will notice these database buttons. If there's something, a customer, a seed source, a recipe that needs to be entered that you don't have, you can click on this button and that'll take you to that particular database so you can add it for this particular order. To confirm this new order, press insert to create it new. This will create a new order called Smith Farms, and it will be available to run at a later time from the control page. This completes the order section.